Welcome to day 4 of our beginner's yoga program, 10 minutes for 10 days. Today is all about action. Tony Robbins once said, "The only impossible journey is the one you never begin."
Yoga has transformed my life in so many beautiful ways. It is a blessing for me to share this soul transforming practice, to uplift you, to inspire you, to break ground, and help you feel free. Let's get flowing.
So here we are on our journey on our yoga mats. We begin all the way at the front of the mat, feet touching, palms forward in Tadasana. Puffed up chest, breath is deep, gaze out in front of you, eyes wide open, senses present, senses alive. Let's bring action into our lives. Inhale the hands up to the sky. Exhale, fold. Hands on the knees. Inhale, half lift. Press on the knees for a long spine. Exhale, plant the hands, bend the knees, step back to plank. Lower the knees, lower the chest for chaturanga. Feet touching, palms strong, energize the glutes. Inhale, rise with the chest forward and up. Ears away from the shoulders, don't hunch it down. Lengthen. And exhale on the knees, hook the toes, bring it up into a downward facing dog. Nice, deep breaths. Strong hands as they push forward. Bend the knees, look in front of you. Let's step to the front of the mat, one step at a time. Remember your mountain. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale forward, bring the hands together as one. Press down on the heels, energize the glutes. Inhale, carve a line in front of you and up to the sky. Exhale the hands out to the side. We're going to step the right leg behind us. 90 degrees between each feet. We're going to open the body sideways, pelvis facing the long edge of your mat. We're going to lift the left hand, fold it down, and the right hand goes up into a triangle pose. This is called Trikonasana, with a nice opening on the side body. Now, a small adjustment here. If your pelvis is rotating forward and you're somewhere up here, we want to correct that. First step, pelvis open sideways, and then fold without breaking the integrity of the hips. Even if you are up here, that's perfectly fine. We're not aiming for Instagram postures here. We're aiming for feel-good yoga poses. Lift it up. Step it forward. Other side. Left foot behind you. 90 degrees, both legs straight. Open the pelvis sideways. Right hand down. Left hand in a straight line. So both hands are in one straight line. Bringing action in our lives. Deep breathing. Strong feet. And then stand it up tall, release it, step it forward. We're going to bring the left foot nice and strong on the yoga mat, steady. We're going to inhale the right knee to the chest, including the hands. Inhale, exhale, kick the leg forward. Inhale, tuck it in. Exhale it forward. Even if you're down here struggling, that's perfect. You're still bringing action into your life. Inhale, bring it in. Exhale it out. Inhale it in. Exhale it out. Perfect. Release the foot under. We're going to stretch the quadriceps for a second here. If you need something to hold so you can have extra balance, you can go next to a wall, place the left hand there. The right hand holds firm onto the glutes. Avoid being out wide like this. Keep an integrity, alignment of the knees, chest tall. Hand out to the side, either on the wall or out for balance. Soften into your breath. And release the foot down. Perfect. Stand tall in front of you, return onto your yoga mats. Left knee up, inhale the hands up. Exhale, kick the leg. Bring in action. Inhale, bring it in. Exhale, kick it out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Perfect. Release it down. Go next to the wall if you need it. We're going to grab hold of the left leg this time. Knees connected. Let me show you from front. Integrity. Standing tall. And release the foot under. Return onto the yoga mat. Find a nice solid spot on your foot, on your mat, so we can root it, ground it. We're going to rise up into a tree pose, Vrikshasana. First we begin with the right foot, steady, strong. Bring all the weight on top of it so the other one is floating, nice and easy. We'll do the super easy accessible version. Heel or foot actually on the opposite heel. From here the toes are pressed under for nice steadiness. Buttocks firm, hands to the chest. Eyes wide open, looking out in front of you. Steady breathing, visualizing a straight line in front of you. If you have windows, observe the horizon. Perfect. We're going to release. We're going to go to the other side. Strong onto the left. The right foot lies down onto the opposite heel, creating a solid foundation like the tree trunk. Buttocks firm, lengthen the spine up. The belly draws in slightly. Bring the hands to the chest. And this time we're going to grow to a next step. We're going to grow it up with the tree branches to the sky. Remembering here, like the trees around us in nature, we are not buildings built for straightness. We are built organically with curves, and we flow with the wind. There's always motion, moving with the environment and nature around us. Breath is deep, breath is soft. Release the hands down, release the feet, step it forward. Inhale the hands up, exhale low. Bend the knees, and let's sit down on our yoga mats. Our timing is up. Your 10 minutes of the day, your yoga for the day, closes with deep relaxation. Lay on your backs, shoulders away from the ears, and bring awareness to the breath, melting, releasing down on the yoga mat. Where there is action, there's also inaction. There's motion, there's rest. Now we release. Bring the awareness back to your breath as you deepen inhales and exhales. Invite movement to hands, to fingers, to toes, to feet. Returning back to the world of motion. Lift the hands over the head, lengthen the spine open and long, and then guide yourselves to lay onto the side of the body, knees bent, in embryo, nurturing your body, nurturing the mind, nurturing the soul. Blinking the eyes open, lifting it up to a cross-legged seated position, seating up tall with action, determined action in our lives. Anne Frank once said, "What a wonderful thought it is that some of the best days of our lives haven't even happened yet." So today we stand here to bring forth action, something that brings passion and energy in our hearts. Thank you for joining me for day 4. Don't forget to subscribe so you can receive a notification for the next video coming up soon. From my heart to yours, Namaste.